So, if you're watching this, you're already embroidering, and you want to learn how to sublimate. I'm Michael with ColDesi. This technology captures full detail from people, vehicles, pets, and more. It's even a great tool for adding color and pattern to existing embroidery. Sublimation is a process that involves heating a design at very high temperatures. This causes the inks to bond directly to the surface of the item. This finished product is vibrant, durable, and has a no-hand feel. Let's walk through the basics of sublimation and go over how to sublimate an embroidered hat. Now, sublimation requires 100% polyester material or special blanks for the best results. Embroidery threads are normally 100% polyester and sublimation ready. Be sure to use dark colored hats to prevent staining with this process, and stitch with light colored thread. And if you're using puff embroidery, manage your heat press pressure to avoid flattening the design. Sublimation only affects the top layer when using puff embroidery. Here are the steps to sublimate an embroidered hat. For this sublimation project, we'll be using 3.5 by 9 TexPrint DT sublimation paper. We'll also use some standard heat tape in order to tape down the design. We'll also be using our Hotronix Fusion IQ hat press and our Sawgrass SG1000 sublimation printer. First off, embroider the design. Now, print the sublimation design using a compatible sublimation printer. Trim the sublimation design to fit on the hat. Tape it down over the embroidery and place the hat in the hat press. Press at 400 degrees for 1 minute with medium pressure. This may vary depending on your setup. When the heat press finishes, take the hat out and let it cool. Once it's cooled, peel off the sublimation paper and enjoy the finished product. Sublimation adds opportunities to create unique and original designs. It's also a fantastic business opportunity. The kind of results here can easily command the top of their price point or even go beyond. Quality, vibrancy, and detail like this aren't achievable with just embroidery. Think opportunities like offering customized hats that use sublimated photos as part of the design. Consider creating patches with a sublimation portrait and an embroidered monogram. Embroider silhouettes on a hat, and then sublimate the rest of the detail in. Sublimation opens doors to improving embroidery, growing business, and profit. Want to learn more about the Sawgrass sublimation printer and the Avance embroidery machines? Visit our website, ColDesi.com, and live chat with one of our pros, or give us a call at 877-793-3278. Thanks for watching.